Imagine waking up one morning, walking outside, and seeing another Earth in the sky. Not the moon, not a planet far away, an actual second Earth. Same blue oceans, same white clouds, same shape as our world. At first, people would think it's fake, some kind of illusion. But within minutes, every phone, every TV channel, and every social media platform would explode with the same terrifying news. A second Earth has appeared near our planet. Scientists across the world would rush to understand where it came from. And what they discover would terrify humanity. The second Earth wouldn't just look similar. It would be almost identical to ours. Same continents, same oceans, even the same storms moving through the atmosphere. It would feel like someone copied Earth and placed it beside us. At first, people would celebrate the discovery. Some would call it humanity's greatest moment. But then, strange things would begin happening. The oceans would suddenly become violent. Massive waves would crash into coastlines around the world. Entire cities near the sea would start flooding within days. Because a second Earth means a second gravitational force pulling on our planet. And Earth was never designed to survive that kind of pressure. Then, the weather would begin changing everywhere. Some countries would freeze in endless storms. Others burn under deadly heat. Animals would panic. Birds would lose direction in the sky. Even satellites around Earth would start malfunctioning. Humanity still wouldn't know the scariest truth. Until one night, scientists noticed something impossible. Lights. Massive glowing cities visible on the dark side of the second Earth. Which could only mean one thing. Another civilization was living there. Another humanity. Another version of Earth. Maybe another version of you. Soon after, mysterious signals would begin arriving from the second Earth. Nobody could understand the messages at first, until one final transmission suddenly appears across every screen on Earth. We are you.